Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Last night was the cold one. As you can see, the frost here on the Yukon. It's supposed to be a sunny day most of the day. Highs somewhere in the mid to upper 40s. Let's hope so. I might get some stuff done outside. We'll see. I'm walking down here. Odo's got the golf cart. Oh, give me some hay. This ground is just muddy. I got me some eggs here. Well, the eggs and some kitchen scraps to give to the pigs. Here's the eggs that got a little froze there. So they're happy to see me. Harold, you're a brat. Here, got some bread? Look at bread. Oh, a little pig get it. Look at your water dish. What a mess. Hang on, birds. Do some bread and some eggs in here. Petunia's eating an egg right now. The babies looked at it. I think it's too big from the bite onto. It's one way to get hay. You have to be young again. Little pigs don't know what to think about these eggs. I threw a little egg in there. I don't know if they got it or not. Dude. That is disgusting. It is disgusting. You want another one? Alright. Babies want some stuff too. A little bit too big for those babies to break open. And I sure do like them. Well, Shelby, you're not an egg eater, are you? Harold, you're just spoiled. You got egg on your face. There, grain. Get out of the way. We got an egg over there that didn't eat. Oh, here comes another one. I want the grain. Okay, they got their grain. Just gotta throw alfalfa in. They're happy. That's good. Oh, Harold, be nice. Need a pig. We have some pigs that need to go. They need new homes. Well, I only got 3 eggs today. Of course, it is a little early today. Some of these chickens lay into the late afternoon. But new chores. A little early today. Ooh, it is cold out here. It's pretty, but it's cold. Well, everybody's set. I got the grain swept up off the floor the mice got into. Just got to get some water down here. The hose is froze, so Odo will be down a little bit later to do that. They're not out of water. Just got dirty water, and it's a little low. It's all right, though. We'll get them set up before evening. Enjoying the grain. No one's touching the alfalfa. There it is. Well, they're going to have to. That's what's on the menu. It is a beautiful day. I think the doodle wants to go for a ride. You got to go up and get a garbage can full of hay. We had the goats in and lay it out here in the mud so you can walk. That way you can reuse the hay for something other than just throwing it out. Sally, you enjoying the ride? pickup trucks. Sally rides on a golf cart. Well, this is what I have under my desk, along with a doodle back there, chewing on the bone. Me and the doodle are going down. Ooh, that sun's bright. Drop off this hay. Yeah, this cart here works really good. The garbage can on the back of it with the hay from the babies we always have up at the house, and other bedding type of stuff. And fits on the cart. We can take it down here, and a lot of it goes into the garden area. But we're gonna throw it down here to walk on today, along with this. Okay, we used hay here in front where the muddy area is for the water overflowing, and threw some of the new stuff inside, so hopefully it helps them stand on top of stuff instead of sinking in the mud. Well, it's like 20 to 4. It's gonna be dark here pretty soon. It's been a really pretty day. It's just the wind chill factor is, whew, yeah, it's cold. Get my garbage can put back on there, and take a little bit of hay back up there so the goats, the babies, can have something to nibble on. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.